Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on a Chevy Silverado 1500. First, gather your tools: a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use jack stands to support your truck securely. Ensure the engine is warm, not hot, for the best oil drainage. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for your vehicle's maintenance. Now, let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 15mm bolt on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Slowly loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This process typically takes about 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring all contaminants are removed from your engine. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter. Unscrew the old oil filter by turning it counterclockwise. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket for a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn with a wrench. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely, but avoid over-tightening. Now let's add the fresh oil. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity for your Silverado. Typically, it's around 6 quarts of 5W30 synthetic blend. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. Once filled, start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil, then shut it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level with the dipstick and top off if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.